The LG V40 ThinQ is now official, and yes, we've got more lenses than a user can handle. The Microsoft Surface Pro 6 and Surface Laptop 2 were just announced, and they definitely impressed. And if you're wondering what the excuse is for removing the headphone jack on the OnePlus 6, it seems it just got confirmed. I'm Jaime Rivera, and definitely, my God, why is everybody launching products like right now? Why can't we spread it out throughout the year? This is Pocketnow Daily, brought to you by Swappa. The official news today are kind of inexistent. We'll leave them for the end because they're actually hot. Let's begin with the case of Sony. Evan Blass has just leaked some images of changes in the design of Sony phones, and we've been waiting for changes for a long time. It's not that the company has bad design, to the contrary, they're nice, it's just they're kind of dated. And yes, we have received the Sony Xperia XZ3, it's right there for review. I'm just so swamped with work right now, I'll get to it at some point. Now let's talk about Huawei as, well, we're waiting for the Huawei Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro to be announced very soon. I'm definitely looking forward to these phones in particular, but we've got rumors of a watch, Huawei Watch GT it seems, and well, we have been waiting for a refresh from Huawei for a bit. The design in the leaks looks really cool and the specifications look decent. We're just not exactly sure if it's going to be better than the offerings that we have or not, and we're wondering why if the Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 3100, I believe, is not going to be ready in time for this watch, so let's see what we get. Now let's talk about OnePlus as we've got the OnePlus 6T coming up very soon. The company's CEO Pete Lau was recently in an interview and he spilled the beans over why we're not getting a headphone jack. According to him, there had to be placement for the on-display fingerprint scanner, and apparently there's improved water resistance, even though there's still not a rating because it would make the phone too expensive. Whatever the case, let us know in the comments what you think about the lack of it. How about if we talk about Microsoft? We have a full video over our experience at the Microsoft event yesterday. I am a big fan of the Surface Pro, and we've got the new 6 model with a new color option, great internals, and then we've got the Surface Laptop, which is the version 2, great internals as well, new color options. I'm scratching my head over the lack of USB-C on these two computers, particularly when you've got the Surface Go that's got USB-C. There are new Microsoft Surface headphones that have USB-C as well. They look really cool as well. I highly recommend you watch the video. And finally, the hottest news today had to do with the LG V40 ThinQ. I hate the name. I don't hate the phone. The experience using it has been fabulous. The event was great, and definitely LG has shown us that 5 cameras on a phone is possible. I love the whole concept of the telephoto and the wide, and honestly there are some changes in the design that are not evident, but they make the phone feel so great. Let us know in the comments down below, what do you think about this phone? Would you buy the V40 or not? In my case, I would. I find it expensive, but I still would. Leave us a comment down below. And folks, we would like to thank Swappa for sponsoring this video and making our content possible. Now that we have new iPhones out, Apple has discontinued some of our favorite models like the iPhone X, iPhone XS Plus, and the iPhone SE. You can still get those phones in a gently used condition over at Swappa. Check out the link in the description below to learn more about discontinued iPhones on Swappa. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.